You cannot change what has already happened. Nangyari na yon. Hindi mo na siya pwedeng i-undo. But what you can change is how you see things from here. How you move forward to make better decisions from here. Simula ngayon. Hindi mo pwedeng ikulong yung sarili mo sa idea na habang buhay mong bibit-bitin yung pagkakamaling yun. Masustuck ka lang. That's why it's very, very important that you create more memories. Not just memories, good memories. Nang sa ganon, ma-outweigh nito yung dami ng mga pagkakamaling na experience mo before. And that you realize na mas maraming magagandang nangyayari sa buhay natin kesa sa mga bad decisions na nagawa natin. Do not ever think na hindi ka makakawala sa sitwasyong yan. Do not ever think na hindi ka na makakabounce back ulit. Do not ever think na wala ng redemption na mangyayari. Do not ever think na hindi ka na magiging okay dahil nagkamali ka before. It will get better. Trust me. Magiging okay din ang lahat. For now, you just have to move forward.